Kitchen, representing for Dance Jamaica.
What that you have on them and
Dance a landmark.
Blessing, can't tire to the world. Yeah, man. You know, say dancing world is our world, you know. And for me, say dancing, can't tire, just take over the whole world. See me, I say, and when you see can't tire, you see the world behind can't tire. So when you see me, can't tire, we have everything for the world. Yeah, you know, say, we go on party for the first, and when we run out, you know, say, the selector say, you know, say, you can't tire. Winching, that have a cash apart, very happy. Yeah, man. Them man, they give me that name, and for them man, they give me that name, they just take it to the street. And for me, take it to the street, and I look back. And now, me not look back, I look back. Right. Because, yo, no matter how corona they go, still not look back. Because I not look back for nobody. Nobody can stop me from doing what me I do. Yeah, man. You know, me just sit down in my house and hold meditation for everything with me I do. And for me in my house, I start hold my meditation, I just start come out with some things. When I come out with me things, some people say me crazy. And that now go work. And I say, oh, they behind it, can't tire. And when you say can't tire, they behind it, it have to work. And I put myself with it work. You know, for me go props, I stand out more than them because, yo, in everything when we do, the props is the most thing that the people them amazing about. When we take out on the phone and go so, yeah, people just start scream and start take out them phone and just start video. And when them video you know you go worldwide. And when you go worldwide, people are going to love you in everything we have. So me just do my thing, or me do my thing. And it works.